I want to do a video to show how to thread the cable in through the housing. And the first thing you want to do is to bend the tip of this cable slightly. You just need to bend approximately half of an inch. It doesn't really need to be exact. You know, you go through the base of it, through where the bolts attach this housing to the body of the van. Okay, before you do that, that's the plastic bushing. Thread it in this way, pull, right here. This is one end with the cable stop already installed. So you push this bushing in, it sits right in it. Then you come back and right here. Meanwhile, this is the short cable housing. We're installing the cable in it. Push it through. If it meets some resistance, with one hand, you know, keep pushing the cable as you rotate this arm here. Right there, it goes through so easily. That's the best way to get this cable through this housing. You now pull right there.